from a billing perspective, again, we have all of that billing schedule information that's been synced over from Salesforce Agentforce Revenue Management. So we get a clear window and visibility into how much is still remaining, when's the next invoice going to be generated, and then additionally, we actually link over those invoices. So here was that original invoice line item for the initial order, and then there was that additional invoice that was generated for that amendment, and we actually linked that as well. So we have our native invoices that are getting generated, and synchronized over from Salesforce via continuous into native invoices and transactions in NetSuite. So finally, just to kind of end on, that final visibility and view here. So again, we're going to link over any adjustments or amendments or renewals that happen via Slack, via that headless Agentforce Revenue Management. So you can kind of see all of the orders and adjustments that have happened over time. And again, since we're one-to-one linked with the contract and Salesforce, we get that full visibility here. We can kind of quickly see where we're trending from a booking, billing, and revenue recognition perspective. And we actually synchronize these back from NetSuite into, what we call an obligation here, and what we're actually able to kind of see, hey, what's been booked so far, what's been billed, and what's been recognized for each of those individual products or obligations that we have from a contract perspective with our customer. And just a final piece here, just to kind of show what continuous sort of looks like on, an administrative side and a configuration side. It is a managed package in Salesforce that gets installed directly into your Salesforce environment, and all of that corresponding data model that you saw in NetSuite would get installed via Suite app to a NetSuite environment. And it comes pre-built with all of those mappings that you had seen. But you can very simply adjust those, add more. We can adjust those object mappings. But really, this is a pre-built plug and play integration from Salesforce Agentforce Revenue Management to NetSuite. And whether you work with NetSuite standard revenue functionality, or you're using NetSuite Advanced Revenue Management, the continuous Suite app will work natively with both of those.